Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be working on the Mazda Miata. If you guys watched the last video, you guys know we went to the Mazda dealership with the Miata to pick up a part, which was $50 for this PCV valve. And the one on our car is broken, and you know what? It was just about time that I change it. So let's go ahead. It's a pretty easy install, shouldn't take us that long, and I'll just explain how to do it on the way if you guys are trying to do that to your Miata as well. So the PCV valve is this one right here, and on this car it was always broken, right? It's supposed to be a whole one part right here, but this one is broken. So we got to take off this clip and then take off the tube off of the old one, and then pry out the older valve which is broken, and then we gotta install the new one right here. And this is the part number if anyone is looking to get one. Alright, so what you want to do is get yourself a pair of pliers, and then you want to take this clip off, and then this should be loose. And there we go. Wasn't that hard. And now we gotta take the other part out. I'm gonna try using the pliers, see if it comes out. Almost there. Oh, there we go. So that's the old one right there. See how it's broken in two pieces? That's what we don't want. What we do want is a brand new, straight from the dealership. So now we're gonna put this in here. Put the pipe on it. And then you gotta put the clip back on. There you go guys, the new PCV valve is on. Alright guys, so that's it for today. It was a small quick video. It's an easy install. So if you guys are trying to do this to your Miata as well and make it a little bit more healthier, you might want to do that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.